Hello, everyone. Welcome to our class. Before anything else, may I ask you to identify which sentence is correct? The apple fall. The apple falls. Well, that is what we are going to talk about today. The subject-verb agreement. So, hold on to your answer because we'll come back to it in just a bit. What is the subject-verb agreement? It just means that the subject and the verb have to get along. They have to agree with each other. Subject-verb agreement also means that a subject and its verb must be both singular or both plural. On the other hand, if the subject is singular, then the verb has to be singular. And if the subject is plural, then the verb has to be plural. We are going to focus on nouns as our subject today. And we are going to learn how the nouns match the verbs. First, let's learn about singular noun and verb agreement. Let's always remember that singular means there's just one. It's single. It's alone. Here's a couple of singular nouns. Car, dog, ball. Here's something really important to remember about singular verbs. A singular verb always add an S at the end of it. Eats, drinks. Remember that singular means just one thing. Read these sentences. A bird sings. A bird, that is a singular noun. That means there is just one bird. We need a singular verb which is sings. Remember, a singular verb always adds an S at the end. Here's another one. A flower grows. A flower is a singular noun. There's just one flower. And grows is a singular verb. There's an S at the end of it. In these examples, we have a singular nouns and a singular verbs. So, our subject and verb agree with each other. Now, let's go back to those sentences you saw at the beginning of this video. The apple fall. The apple falls. Which subject and verb agree? The apple is a singular noun, so we need a singular verb, falls. Now that we know how to match a singular noun and a singular verb in a sentence, can you spot which sentence is correct? A boy dances. A boy dances. The correct one is a boy dances because the boy is a singular noun, so you need a singular verb, dances. Don't forget the S at the end of a singular verb. Shall we proceed to plural noun and plural verb agreement? We first need to remember that plural means there is more than one, it is not alone. Here's a couple of plural nouns. Butterflies, bees, flowers. One thing you need to remember about plural verbs is that, unlike singular verbs, we will not add S at the end. Think of it this way. When a sentence is in a plural form, it means it is more than one. It is not alone. Look at these following examples. Flowers bloom. Flowers is a plural noun. So, we need a plural verb, bloom. Have you noticed that we did not add s at the end? We have a plural noun and a plural verb. So, our subject and verb agree with each other. What about these sentences? Which one is correct? The children play with toys. The children plays with toys. The children play with toys is the correct sentence. Children is a plural noun, meaning there is more than one child. So, we need a plural verb to go along with the subject. Play is a plural verb and there is no extra s at the end of it. Try this one. The elves wraps the presents. The elves wrap the presents. Which one is correct? The elves wrap the presents is the correct sentence. Elves is a plural noun, so we have a plural verb, wrap. A plural verb does not have an extra s at the end of it. Now that we know how to match the singular noun and singular verb, as well as a plural noun and plural verb in a sentence, I hope that this video helped you better understand subject-verb agreement. Let's call it a day. Thank you so much and see you next time.